It's super windy day today. We've got a storm coming through. Something along the lines of gusting up to 90 kilometers an hour, which is close to 60 miles an hour. I know 100k is 60, so 55 miles an hour. Anyhow, horses are out, and well, you can't really tell at the moment that it's too windy, but they're pretty spirited. Been running around just a little bit here. Everybody's having a good roll. There she goes. Look at that! She made it over! Yay! $1,000 horse. Maybe 1,500 for good measure. Off she goes. Well, I can keep up with her. Big shake. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully I have nothing but good news. See, the clouds are really cruising. But it's the gusts that matter the most, really. Get these... Yeah, see that way. Those trees there, they start to sway quite a bit. So, it's a windy day. These two are pretty relaxed. Just chilling out. While everybody else eats the leaves. Perfect. Little vacuum cleaners for the arena. Oop, see. Starting to pick up a little. Anyways, I thought I'd just give you guys a little update today. It's not bad. It's warm. You know, I gotta admit, it's not really cold out, other than a bit of a breeze kind of blowing across. Wind chill. But other than that, it's actually a warm day. But of course, we should be getting something cold, I expect. So yeah. Yeah, I might post again if things start getting a little exciting. But here's a little update for everybody on this lovely stormy day. Gracie's pulling a Peggy. She loves doing that. Ah well, 3-minute horsey update. Oop, it's picking up again. Here comes Lena. Lena is not a fan of the wind for sure.